Deborah was brought to my clinic with her family about a week after receiving some fairly devastating news about the progression of her brain tumor. And the family was very interested in pursuing options that would help to recover her hope for a long life.
Well, May 13th we got some bad news that they couldn't help her in Canada, where we were from. They thought they had done all they could do for Deborah, and they gave her only a short period of time to live. And so we started seeking other alternative medicine. So where we found Heather, Dr. Fox, and she had all these connections here with doctors here and with a stem cell transplant clinic, and we decided to come out here.
When she came to me during that first meeting, we sat together with the family for almost 2 hours, and Deborah spoke only about 3 words, and even at that with great difficulty. She had been getting most of her nourishment through an abdominal tube. It was very difficult to motivate Deborah to eat. We began IV therapy and began to make arrangements for her to come to Ecuador to receive both the stem cell therapy and the sodium bicarbonate treatment. By the time Deborah was en route to Ecuador, she was able to withstand a very long flight. She was beginning to speak in full sentences, sometimes 2 sentences, still stumbled over some words. And following the stem cell transplant and the beginning of the sodium bicarbonate treatment, was able to speak actually quite articulately, talk about events that had happened when she was a younger woman, began walking, having generally more energy, had appetite, even at one point ate probably more than I did for a meal, including cheesecake for dessert.
We did a stem cell transplant, or they did it for her, and she just seemed to start getting stronger after about 3 days, right? 3 days. She started getting stronger, and we're here today. She actually started walking yesterday quite a bit. She painted a picture, this picture, the day before yesterday, which she hasn't painted in years, and she just seemed to have more of a zest for life after she was done the painting, and we just can see that it's done a lot for her. She's progressed a lot.
Yes, it's been very early in the treatment stage, but we see that the treatment is beginning to work. Her appetite is better, her speech is also better, and she's starting to get more balance with her walking.